no. It's 7. We're late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30. School starts at 8.
7:30? Oh no. Okay, let's move.
Anna! Tom, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 more minutes today. We're going to school. My little sweetheart, come out of bed. My love, wake up. The sun is up too.
Stretch out.
2 sets of underwear, 2 new pairs of socks, shorts, a skirt, and 2 new uniform shirts. Everything is ready. Oh, wow, it fits. Now, brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth. Wash my face. Wash your face.
Time to eat. Breakfast is waiting. My love, don't be too slow. Breakfast is waiting. Let's go.
Sit down. Check my phone.
Drink 1 glass of milk.
I want soft drink.
Not good for health.
Super delicious sandwiches. Thank you for breakfast, Mom.
Breakfast, water bottle. Homework. Where is your homework?
On the table. And coffee for us?
Of course. No morning without coffee.
Mom, I packed my notebook and pencils.
Good job. Tom, do you have your lunchbox?
Oh. Right. Lunchbox.
Maybe Anna wants to eat air today.
Not funny, David. We still need to go.
Lunch is ready.
The car is ready. We leave in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Thank you, my dear. Okay, checklist. Backpack?
Check!
Lunchbox? Check. Perfect. Let's go.
Wait, my toy car.
Again? Where is it?
Here is it, on the couch.
Got it! Let's go before you miss class.
What? Good morning. Going to school?
All right, hop in.
Yes, please.
seatbelts on.
I'm excited. I like school. Do schools have big playgrounds? Yes, very big. That's great.
Oh, traffic. Please move, cars.
Relax. The school is not far.
Mom, what will I do at school today?
Learn, play, read, and have fun.
I want to draw today. And maybe listen to your teacher.
Yes. And no talking in class.
Here we are, the school.
Thank you.
Have a good day, Tom.
Sure I will, Dad. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
See you later. We will pick you up after school.
Wow! So many kids! And a big, big playground!
Good morning, Tom. Anna,
Welcome. Good morning, Miss Sarah.
Oh, my head. Wake up quickly, you sleepyheads.
Please, Mom. Not so soon.
My head is spinning right now. I can't continue this.
I need to find a pair of socks, some shorts, and my uniform shirt. Where is my uniform? Hi, Mom. What do we have for breakfast today? Cereal and milk. But we're missing a spoon.
Here it is.
Thank you, Mom.
Hurry up. Eat quickly. Don't let Mum see any crumbs left. Coffee time.
Goodbye, Mom. I'm going to school.
Goodbye. Be good at school.
Mom is going crazy.
Definitely.
Or Mom is very sick. What should we do? Anna, I have an idea. Good idea, Tom. Good idea, Tom. Change clothes. Check the list. Ready. Coffee for Mom. And a sandwich with butter. Mmm. Flowers for Mom.
Mom.
Mom, we understand everything now. No more being naughty. Just be sweet kids. We promise to do our best.
If you liked today's story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more of our family's funny stories.